Inilah kisah Visno Viratno, seorang siswa sekolah menengah atas di Kabupaten Luwu Utara, Sulawesi Selatan. Saat teman sebaya masih terlelap, Visno sudah bangun dan memasak nasi untuk dirinya dan sang kakek. Sudah lama Visno tinggal bersama sang kakek di sebuah rumah di Dusun Pajongan Atas, Desa Bayebunta, Kabupaten Luwu Utara, Sulawesi Selatan. Visno dan sang kakek harus hidup pas-pasan meski telah mendapatkan bantuan sosial berupa beras dari pemerintah. Bahkan untuk sekolah, Visno harus berjalan kaki sejauh 6 km.
SMP Negeri 1 Atap atau biasa disebut Satap Benteng Sipi, Desa Benteng Pau, Kecamatan Elar Selatan, Kabupaten Manggarai Timur, Nusa Tenggara Timur. Setiap harinya siswa-siswa ini harus menyeberangi sungai dan melintasi lereng dan hutan sejauh 4 km untuk menuju sekolah.
Ponorogo. Uang sebanyak 3,1 miliar itu disita oleh 3 orang saksi kasus tindak pidana korupsi penyimpangan dana BOS PSMK PGRI.
Sekolah Dasar Negeri 08 Silo Jember yang berada di perbatasan Jember Banyuwangi, Jawa Timur ini kondisinya sangat memprihatinkan. Selain hanya memiliki 7 orang siswa yang duduk di kelas 6, sekolah ini juga hanya memiliki 2 guru, yakni kepala sekolah dan guru kelas. Kondisi bangunan sekolah sangat tidak layak. Para siswa menempati ruangan sempit.
The failure of education in the last 5 years has become increasingly apparent. The government no longer prioritizes education.
Corruption cases have increased with the emergence of bus, fund, and scholarship, which should reach every region but are instead used for for personal gain.
The failure of education with unclear, constantly changing curricula and the unequal distribution of facilities or infrastructure prevents students from enjoying their school years.
The government should take firm action to this. We will agree that education the main foundation for the progress of the nation. Let me introduce myself, Siti Halimah, as the presidential candidate for Holy
And I'm Alika Rafinia Sandrina, the vice presidential candidate for Holy
We will present our vision and mission if we become president of Holy
Vision: realizing an Holy that is sovereign, independent, and has personality based on mutual cooperation and proper education.
Mission: integrating character education by implementing innovative and enjoyable learning that focus on the needs and potential of students.
Developing Holy students who are disciplined, positive, and independent.
Providing barrier-free education by emphasizing progress through facilities and technology.
The work program: increasing access to education for remote areas and equitable distribution of learning media throughout the region.
Providing free education from elementary school to college.
Offering for scholarship for undergraduate and graduate studies, abroad for high achieving students.
For the first 100 days of our work program, we will improve access to education for remote areas so that students do not feel difficult, especially in transportation access.
According to previous government surveys, this has been declared students who want to learn must cross river currents. We will build proper bridge and provide free transportation for students.
We will also ensure the equitable development of education learning media for our region. With this, students will no longer face difficulties in seeking knowledge.
And our slogan is
United, knowledgeable, prosperous.